Hi guys, welcome to Ukulele Tahiti. This is our YouTube channel for all of you that are willing to learn some songs from Tahiti. So have fun and see you soon. Bye-bye. Hi guys, to learn this new song from Ukulele Tahiti, you'll need to learn those 4 chords. So the first one is C. The second one is C7. The third one is F. And the last one, but not least, is the G7. So this song is for the beginners, and the rhythm for this song is waltz. So it's a rhythm with three steps. So this is how you do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're all set, so have fun.
Apatea te hea oe I te iene poiti awae Apatea te hea oe ta ui here Tino iti apatea Apatea te hea oe I te iene poiti awae Apatea te hea oe ta ui here here iti haruru te are miti ini a i te awera to e tino o tino